Last day Hi guys, so it's our last day today. Did we outro last night? We did not na. So last night, from dun sa favorite dun sa nag-drink kami last night. Nag-choya kami. And then, we decided to continue it dun sa labas. Kasi may bench dun sa labas ng hotel namin. And then, nagkaya yan mag-itcheran. So from there, nag-itcheran pa kami last night. And onti lang yung line because it was like 2 AM na. So,
waited lang for 30 minutes.
Hindi, less than lang. Yeah. Yun. So, nag-itcheran pa kami. And then we went home na mga 4, 3. And now it's our last day. So, Bube and I are getting our brunch. Danbing and Taiwanese sausage.
Because we woke up past 11 AM na.
And Jessa and Rio, they're not yet awake. I mean, they're awake na, but di ba sila handa? So, we're waiting for them.
2 PM.
Wow! Kaya late na kayo.
Kaya nag-eat na kami. Snack lang.
Yeah, we was eating. Yeah, no. Yung Taiwanese sausage here is 50 NTD. And the scallion pancake is how much? 100?
80. Depends.
80 depends.
Bacon.
Yeah. We're using Line Pay, guys. So, we linked our credit card, HSBC. We linked our credit, Landers. We linked our credit card sa Line Pay. And yeah.
Like that show.
Yeah.
Just
same,
scan. Parang Gcash.
Same ano lang yan. Same
okay.
rate.
Sese.
Mas gusto ko yung danbing sa yung sila tatay. We're getting sausage as well. So scallion pancake, it's our brunch. Scallion pancake and Taiwanese sausage.
This is our bacon danbing or bacon scallion pancakes. Here's your food. Sarap guys nung sausage. Mas masarap siya dun sa Chiffen Waterfalls. Parang may distinct taste yun eh. Kasi black pork ata nga yun, yung parang baboy damo. Alam nyo na yung Uniqlo sa may simending nag-iisa lang naman yun. Either sa left side or sa right side. Basta nasa likod lang to ng Uniqlo. Puro mga street food. Na-transfer na sila dito eh. So may mga carts pa rin na randomly sa morning, sa afternoon, and sa night. Ganun. Pero ito yung fix na may place sila dito. Sa likod talaga siya ng Uniqlo. So yan. Hanap-hanapin yun. Mas masarap yung
dun sa street mismo, pag morning.
Baby, di ba pa na-try ah?
Wait lang. Pag morning, sabi ko, ang hirap kasi. Tapos hindi siya naka-slice. Talagang naka-pa-omelette siya. Ano, mas legit.
Parang third generation na to eh, na? Still good. No? Oh, actually, yung parang hawak mo siya like sandwich.
Masarap yung experience. Nakakadagdag sa experience. Ito mo na, parang okay. Kain ka na.
Pero if ayaw nyo ma-hassle, at least ito, yan. Toothpick nyo siyang ganyan. Stick siya.
Ah, I cannot.
I'm lining up guys for Aichong rice flour noodles. May haba yung pila today kasi nga Sunday, tapos sakto after lunch. Pero very fast lang to, as in sandok lang sila ng sandok sa bowl. Hindi talaga ako aalis lang, hindi ko ito try for this trip. Kasi last trip namin parang literally everyday. Ang sarap kasi for me. Ganyan dapat mag-dispose, guys.
My dear Filipinos. Uy, or mo yun? Large siya.
Large.
That one. Thank you.
Hindi mo nilag yun eh. Feeling nga kasi lahat ayaw eh. Gonna get that small.
Here.
Small bit.
What is that? Come. Lo, inaaway mo na naman si ate.
Tsaka hindi niya nilagyan ito.
Na-bad trip na nga kasi.
Kasi bakit mo expect?
Ah, yan na yung danbing! Oh my God! Sabi sa'yo eh, patience lang. Oh my God, matatry nila Rio! Yes! So here's the danbing, guys, na sinasabi namin na mas masarap yung kay tatay. Siya yun, siya si tatay. So yeah, well, I ate na, so wala na. Papatry na lang namin kay Rio and Jessa. So yun, matry nila. My gosh! Tatay, where are you? Where have you been? So nag-line up kami, guys. Kasi baka maunahan pa kami. Even if we ate na, we're gonna try tatang. Last day naman na, right? It's our last day, so wala. Ano na, it's now or never. Char. Yan, nag-iwas tayo. We're gonna eat another danbing. Last danbing for this trip. So there's Crimea here sa MRT station, guys. We're going to Daan. And we bought ice cream. We bought you don't like? You don't like? You don't like? Okay. We bought Crimea. Ay, di ba hapos? Ah, okay. Jessa.
Is this your money? Is this your money here?
No? Tinatanong niya. Hindi mo rin alam.
Is this your money here? No.
$10.
Ah, here.
Yes.
Okay.
Ah, here.
Ibang version. Old coin. Old coin. Pero sarap.
Sa Japan to. Try niyo yan sa Japan. Ah. Sarap. Jessa recommends. Di siya recommends. Thank you, Shasha. You're mine.
Ako pala na picturean.
Oo nga. Baby, vlog
Ba
na.
to? May pala yun.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Okay. Ewan ko if sabi na ni Baby, but we're here sa Crimea. We're siyang parang, hindi parang, kundi talagang may place siya dito. Ayan o. With sitting. Pero di ba sa Japan to, Crimea? Crimea? So we just ordered 3 since may sipon ako. Baby's having the half and half. Half vanilla and half chocolate yan, no? Or original and chocolate. Ayan. So, nandito kami sa Songshan Station. Just find random place na lang siguro. So, we'll find somewhere. We'll find some place to eat daw lang. Maghahanap kami ng makakainan for late lunch, brunch, hanggang snack na lahat na yan. So welcome to Zhongshan District.
Hong Kong.
Yes. Medyo vibrant din tong district na to. Ayun, pag weekends maraming mga kabataan din.
Sabi sa'yo, ibuti na lang, dinala kita ng ano.
Hindi nila alam guys, pero dinala ko sila dito kasi may gusto akong coffee shop dito na i-try. Eh, sunod lang naman sila na sunod sa akin. Tapos sabi nila, anywhere naman daw mag-eat, okay lang. So, let's see if makakapag-coffee tayo doon or baka po na since it's Sunday and ang daming tao. But it's also nice here, buhay na buhay. I love it.
Hello, si Bebo.
So, nagpapapicture si Bebo.
Wait down.
Sige. Hindi naman kita minamadali. Ayan. So, I see parang may Sunday market or weekend market here. Kasi, ayan, may mga trinkets. Ayan. Snacks. Yes. Parang Salcedo weekend market.
我简单介绍一下我自己，我叫毕尔，我是街头艺人。为什么会成立这个街头演奏会？因为我想把我会的古典乐分享给小朋友。可是不管我用什么乐器演奏，只要是演奏古典乐，到了第3小节、第4小节，小朋友就开始东张西望，对古典乐不比较久。我就一定要吸引小朋友来听我的古典乐。我花了1年多的时间设计这个。
Dito tayo, babe, sa main road. Oh, okay. Oh, they're also selling films here and vintage cams. Wala, nabitawan lang. May alcohol Cute nga, nakita ko rin kanina. Yes, babe, pero nga food nga hinahanapan nila.
My baby! Ay, hindi yan ah. ito. That's my baby! Ay! Babe was buying her beans. And I bought a bag also. There's isang shop. We weren't able to take a video because we don't have space sa DJI. So, but I'm just gonna put the pictures. And yeah, so I was buying her beans.
It's next Saturday. Yes.
Right, maybe I'll try to.
Hindi pala siya nag-buy kasi sold out yung beans na
yung
pwede sa...
The next week daw sabi ko, okay, next week.
But we're not here next week na.
Pero masarap yung pinatry na sa akin.
Ba't hindi yun? Kasi hindi kaya ng grinder.
Oh, pang medium to dark ako eh.
Sayang. So, saan ka mag-buy? Hindi ka na mag-buy ng beans. Saan sa Arabica?
Ang haba nga ng line eh.
Okay. We're going to from Daan. We're gonna go to
Songjiang.
Songjiang. But that's Daan district, no?
Hindi ko sure.
So where did we go? I thought we were going to Daan.
Hindi ko alam. Basta it's big eh. It's hard to explain. Google Maps na lang.
So wala talagang kwenta yung vlog namin.
No.
Google niya lang lahat.
Kumbaga, kung gusto niyo, puntahan niyo gusto niyo.
Hindi daw ma-explain. So now we're gonna go to Taipei 101.
We're going to Taipei 101. Let's go.
Ayan. That's the Taipei, guys. If you wanna pila, guys pila? Let's try. Pero di Taipei na naman.
We're here at Taipei 101, guys. That's the building. Yeah. That's the building, Taipei 101. We'll go inside, mag-snack siguro kami, lunch, then mag-check lang ng few stores, baka may magustuhang shoes. Let's see. Tara!
Nag-rice kayo?
Kita ba? 5-star noodle house.
Sumaw-saw ko dito ang sarap. Ketchup na medyo maalat na di maintindihan. Ano ba po?
Braised pork, spicy chicken,
Iba yan.
pepper, and wonton and chili. Wow! Babe, ang dami pala nung in-order mo. Akala ko 6 pieces lang. Hindi, para makatikim.
Ano yun?
Nag-invade na naman tayo. Sorry. And then we ordered pot stickers. Ilang pieces to? 16?
10 lang.
10 pieces.
Isang order kasi yan na yun, 10.
Yan yung pinaka-unti. Pot stickers, my gosh. And gulay. Bok choy ba yan? Kangkong.
Kangkong nga.
Ayan.
Only 4.5 p.m., right? Okay.
Is it nice?
Passport.
Oh my gosh, it's here. So you need your passport, guys. Let's see.
Please barcode in your invoices yung receipt mo.
You're buying coffee. Did you buy your beans,
Ano sa
no?
Landers, diba?
You bought beans?
Kaya ask ko pa nga lang.
Okay, so they're buying their coffee. I bought my shoes. Bebo doesn't like anything. You really, are you sure now? Yung Adidas na
May ask
maroon.
ako sa kanya eh.
You don't like the Adidas na maroon?
Also, this one, do you have a small bag of dark rose?
No, not anymore.
Not anymore.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I saw. Thank you.
Okay, sheshe. Do you like the Adidas na maroon? No? Okay, you don't like? Okay.
Which one?
Yung 2,000 naka-sale?
Not really.
Not really. Wala.
Not really.
Wala nang memory yung DJI. So we're using our phone.
Hindi namin mag-backup kasi alis na rin kami.
Yeah.
Later.
It's our last time. Charot. Time ba? Last night. And last 2 hours here in Taipei, in Ximending. Sepangs. Next year again, see on my birthday.
Yes.
I think
Magbabay lang kami last minute pa sa Lugo.
Japan. Ay, Japan.
Magpapak na kami. Magpapak pa.
Taiwan is really something, guys. Punta kayo dito.
You've been great, Taiwan, as always.
Wala, baka maiyak ko ba?
Siguro we'll try to video pa. If not, just like and subscribe, guys. Thank you.
Bye! Nagsalita ka? Ah, okay. Fine. Go. What? I'm videoing. Hindi ka nag-jacket. Hi guys, so here's our pasalubong. Here's our pasalubong for our family and friends. Yan.
Why? So, eto guys. Konting pasalubong. Just for the fam.
What?
For the fam. Coffee. 3-in-1 coffee, milk tea. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, you didn't use line pay?
Hindi.
Okay.
Para makita
There's
ko.
no box, right? Okay.
Ito, nauuna sa maglakad.
Hey. Thank you. Okay, we're here na sa airport. And this is our airport transfer booked through Klook. Yan. Oh my God, ang lamig. Sorry. Sese. Kagulo ka.